guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I started without you, sorry. I just put a very light wash on this canvas with SOJO Mineral Blue and SOJO Turquoise. And I also just sprinkled some Pearl Mix on it. And that's going to be my base for the painting I'm going to do later on. I'm sorry, I should have been recording, but basically it was just, you know, I just took some paint and dipped a brush in water and then just did a wash over it. So this is going to be the base I'm going to use for the translucent pour. Talk to you in a few. So I decided to do more to it. I just took my fingers and went like that. So I'm going to put a little bit of, oh, this is iridescent copper. Do I have iridescent gold? I do. I do. Oh, yes, I do. It's not closing. Make sure you got it nice and I think I put a little bit of copper too. I have no idea what this is going to look like. Just playing. That's the thing about it, you know? We're always playing. It's fun. Okay. And those were the high flow. So that's it for now. Gotta wait till this dries before I can do anything. It looks like because there's water, I'm gonna be getting some I can't remember what they're called. They're not tendrils, they're fractals. Yeah, the fractals are coming. They're on their way. Okay, so I didn't like that, so I'm painting over it. And grab a little bit. These things are so hard to get off. Either that or I'm just getting really weak these days. Oh, there we go. Oh, come on, come on. Oh. I need to find a different container for this. Oh, yeah. There we go. I love those two colors mixed together. Maybe I put just a tad of white on there. And if it's gold, no. I don't know when this is going to dry now. I might have to wait till tomorrow to do this. I want it to be dried. Could do some loom swipes. Good enough. All right. That's better. That is pretty, just the way it is. Ta-da! That's it. I'll be back. Okay, guys, it is dry. Very dry. So I am going to go ahead, take my, actually it's Sara Taylor's, her recipe. This is the translucent. I'm going to pour it over. And then just, oh, the heck is that? Something, there we go. I can hear a squirrel on my roof. Oh, and there's a big lump. I thought I saw a lump or felt a lump. Who's that? Hi, Ice. All right, that lip's gone. It's gone. Okay. So this is kind of like a pearl pour mix. It's without the pigment in it. Let me see here. How do I want to do this? I think I'm just going to go across. That is the white, iridescent white. Here's the iridescent gold. This is the Brûlée. This is, I just mixed this up. This little Piggy in Phrenite. This is this little Piggy in Waterfall. This is SOJO in Mineral Blue. Okay. I also have some white pearl mix, but I might leave that out for right now. Right now I just want to tilt it. Tilting it right off. To tilt it back. And see if we get some pearls. Jesus, it is chilly back here. I don't know, I might sit here and play. I'm going to put you guys on time lapse and we'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay guys, so it's not quite dry yet. The gold is taking its time. And this, oh my gosh, that is the waterfall and it is glimmering. Yeah, gotta love it. So next time, it might be a better idea to put a little bit more contrasting colors as the background. But I'm not hating this at all because we do have the contrast up here, which is what I was looking for. But yeah, nice experiment. I like it. I'm gonna try it again on something else. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao for now.